Hey home, welcome back. So today I was working on the last state machine that is related to the tasks. As I mentioned, every node in our network can at any time get any of these tasks to execute. They might attest, they might host if they have available storage, and they might do the encoding. And this, for example, attesting can have a couple of subtasks. Tasks. You can attest the hosting setup, you can attest the performance check, or you can attest the storage proof check. So I can make it like this. And in the performance check, you can be a lead a tester, or you can just be a regular attester. And as a hoster, you're part of the hosting setup, and then you can just listen to two type of events to provide a storage proof or to participate in the performance check. And as an encoder, you only have one task, and this is to participate in the hosting setup. So this last one for the lead performance attester, I was working on today. So in this particular task, a tester is connecting to the hosters and then joining the swarm with other attesters, and then gets into the idle state where it listens to those three events. When the hoster report is triggered, it does some stuff. And when the organized performance check is triggered, then it has to organize the performance check. And when the send report is triggered, it basically sends the report and exits the state machine. So with this state machine, this task is finished. So this was this. So now all of our tasks are basically done. So I just ran all of them through. And it's working. So for example, if we want to check this lead performance, just for the sake of it, because we were working on it today. So first, as a lead performance performance check, you receive a chain event, and this will spawn a state machine. And then you're listening to these events. So let's say that the event that we will hear will be a hoster report. So now if we run this, and we first spawn this lead performance check state machine, we connect, we join, and we go into the idle state, and then we receive this hoster report event, and then we basically receive a new report, we compare it, we store it, and then we again go back to the idle state where we again listen to any of those events. So this is it. I will now save, commit, and push everything. And tomorrow I plan to finish this plan and user. So a registration basically, and plan is from the perspective of a person who needs hosting. So basically subscribing to a hosting plan. So yeah, I'll be working on this tomorrow, looking forward to it, and happy that all these task-related state machines are finished. I know that once I start adding the functions in, there might be, of course, some modifications. For example, here I'm invoking certain services, and maybe if the services are more complex, I might not invoke a function, a promise, but maybe the whole state machine that will also kind of go into certain steps. I'll see. But for now, I think functions as such are good enough to just resolve or reject. So yeah, that's my update for today. I hope you all had a lovely day, and hope to see you tomorrow. Enjoy.